You really want a piece of this?
Art 101 with Mr. Burgher.
Well, hello again, friends, and welcome back to Art 101 with me, Mr. Burgher, a professional artist and educator attempting to bring you the best in art historical content.
I don't dig him.
Now, as always, I appreciate the likes, shares, subscribes, comments. Keep them coming. Thank you.
So, pretty please, with sugar on top.
Now today, we're going to attempt to look at a compare and contrast of the Romanesque and Gothic styles of architecture as it relates to their cathedrals. So here we go.
That's enough! He's ready to talk.
There are three basic consistencies between Romanesque and Gothic cathedrals. Let's take a look at those. They each have three sections. They each have two spires or towers and are symmetrically built.
It's about time. Hey, it is about time.
If there are similarities, there are going to be some differences, so let's point out the differences. The Gothic cathedral has more statues. The Gothic cathedral utilizes the round window, also known as the rose window or the eye of God. The Gothic cathedral is less geometric, and because of this has less wall space. The Gothic cathedral has many more windows, and the Gothic cathedral utilizes the pointed arch rather than the rounded arch.
Hey, tenderfoot, move your chicken wings, turkey.
Haha, I love that story.
Screw you, sir. I'm going home.